Gurgaon, Haryana. Namaste parents. Are you worried? Are you looking for Gurgaon, Haryana-based Banya families for matrimonial alliance who is equally qualified and professionally settled? Then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I'm here with another video on one of the best Banya Marriage Bureau Compania wedding planners in Gurgaon, Haryana. A marriage bureau that provides its matrimonial matchmaking services 100% free for widows, physically disabled females, as well as daughters and sisters of economically weak families. A marriage bureau for Banya, elite and middle class families. Passionate about technology, I want to make it easy to use for every family, challenging the one package fits all approach with prices starting at 1,251 rupees only. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Banya bridegroom matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything from matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Gurgaon, Haryana. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another update. Once little more than a dull and comparatively unknown suburb of the national capital region, today Gurgaon is not only one of the most urbanized cities of India, but it also boasts of a skyline that can easily rival those of Hong Kong and Singapore. Easily accessible from Delhi and Noida, Gurgaon is fastest growing cities of Haryana, starting from natural treasures to a flourishing lifestyle and a vibrant nightlife. Gurgaon has everything you could need. The largest natural lake of the city, however, is Damdama Lake, which apart from being a place where you can lie back and unwind, also offers adventurous activities such as kayaking, rock climbing, boating and valley crossing. You can even sit and fish at the lake as you watch the sunset behind the Aravallis, painting the sky magnificent hues of red and orange. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heaven, but it is we who have to start the process. In Gurgaon, Haryana, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Gurgaon, Haryana. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Banya life partner in Gurgaon, Haryana has been taken up by Banya Marriage Bureaus or Banya Marriage Consultancy in Gurgaon, Haryana. Today I will introduce you a Banya matrimonial service provider in Gurgaon, Haryana, which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Banya families in Gurgaon, Haryana for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Gurgaon, Haryana, but the marriage bureau in Gurgaon, Haryana, who have changed the concept of Banya partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services in Gurgaon, Haryana. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Banya family is looking for in their search for a bride groom in Gurgaon, Haryana. Yes, they are keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Banya matchmaking services in Gurgaon, Haryana. Dharma Vedic offers a personalized, exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Gurgaon, Haryana to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates partnership with clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivery. We are not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in Gurgaon, Haryana. We are dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Gurgaon, Haryana. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Gurgaon, Haryana. Dharma Vedic top features are: number 1, we do not just sign up clients for a fee. Our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2, we have the large Banya database of profiles in Gurgaon, Haryana, and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have hand-picked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Gurgaon, Haryana. Number 3. Our Banya matchmaking service in Gurgaon, Haryana fee ranges starting from 1,251 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. But Dharma Vedic matchmaking services are 100% free for widows, physically disabled females, as well as daughters and sisters of economically weak families. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding menu and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Gurgaon, Haryana. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to call or message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Banya matchmaking process in Gurgaon, Haryana. At the same time, if you know someone who is a widow or physically disabled female or economically weak family who is struggling to find best groom for their daughters and sisters, please share this video or inform them that Dharma Vedic matchmaking services are 100% free for them. My name is Pragati. They can directly contact me on 8828952895. I'm repeating the number again, 8828952895. You can also download Dharma Vedic app and register yourself. Registering with Dharma Vedic is absolutely free of cost. Join and connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned, stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.